Hi guys, I'm your Korean teacher Katie. Today I'll tell you how to make a sentence in Korean. As many of you guys already know, Korean sentence has different order compared with an English sentence. Let me explain with an easy example. I saw the man in the park yesterday. In English sentence, it usually starts with subject, verb, object, place, time. Let's change this in Korean sentence. 나 어제 공원에서 그 남자 봤어. Subject, time, place, object, verb. Did you find the biggest difference? Yes, we say the verb at the end of the sentence in Korean. Object is usually before the verb. And also we say time and place first. 나 어제 공원에서 그 남자 봤어. This is the past tense. If you're curious about tenses, you can check on my video episode 25. Let's practice with another sentence. I'll meet a friend in Hongdae after work. I'll give you 10 seconds. You try to change this to Korean sentence. The answer is 나 퇴근하고 홍대에서 친구 만날 거야. Subject, time, place, object, verb. This is the future tense. You can also check the tense on my former video, episode 25. 나 퇴근하고 홍대에서 친구 만날 거야. Do you remember how to make a question sentence in Korean? I've mentioned it in some of my former videos. There's no change. Just raise your intonation at the end. 너 어제 공원에서 그 남자 봤어? In Korean, you can drop the subject if it's obvious. So, 어제 공원에서 그 남자 봤어? Is also okay. 너 퇴근하고 홍대에서 친구 만날 거야? Or just 퇴근하고 홍대에서 친구 만날 거야? Lastly, let's make a negative sentence. Keep the order of the sentence and just put 못 or 안 before the verb. The difference between 못 and 안 is like can't and don't. 나 어제 공원에서 그 남자 못 봤어. There wasn't a man, so you couldn't see the man. In this case, 못 봤어 is right. If there was the man, but you didn't want to see him, in this case, you can say 안 봤어. 못 봤어 and 안 봤어 sounds different, like couldn't see or didn't see. 나 어제 공원에서 그 남자 못 봤어. 나 어제 공원에서 그 남자 안 봤어. 나 퇴근하고 친구 안 만날 거야. When you use 안 before the verb, it sounds like that you don't want to see the friend. So it's kind of your will. 나 퇴근하고 친구 못 만날 거야. When you use 못 before the verb, it sounds like you cannot do something because of some reason that you cannot control. 나 퇴근하고 친구 안 만날 거야. 나 퇴근하고 친구 못 만날 거야. Let's review. When you make a Korean sentence, the order is subject, time, place, object, verb. For a question sentence, keep the order of the sentence and raise your intonation at the end. For a negative sentence, put 안 or 못 before the verb. What sentence would you like to make in Korean? Let me know in the comment section, then I'll help you. Have a great day. Bye bye.